Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3x plus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3dx. First derivative of x, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, that's it from here. So I will put number 0 on here to find the value of u. So u equal to number 3 multiplied by number 0 plus 1. We have number 1. When s equals to number 4, so here is about number 4. Number 4 we put in here, and we have u equals to number 13. So this one we change by number 1. Number 4 we change by 13. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. So I will put number 5 go outside. The integration of 1 over u. We have ln of the absolute value of u. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 13. And now we have the final answer. ln number 1, you got 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.